How's it going? How's it going? How's it going, everybody? So, we have another box, which if you watched, I'll link it up here somewhere. The chain on the good old bike after 28,000 miles, something like that, has petered out. It's got a hard spot in it. So, we bought a new chain and sprocket set, and I went with brown paper. I went with brown paper, that's what I went with. No, I went with, holy shit, there's a lot of it in there. Now this is unnecessary packaging. Look at this, oh my god. So, I went with the RK, hold on. So, we went with the RK replacement, OEM replacement, whatever, standard gearing, front and rear sprocket and chain, which would be nice because it's a little bit of a different sprocket setup than that old boy. So at least it's a different look. It's a nice black sprocket, front sprocket obviously, and chain in there. I really wanted to be gaudy and get a silver chain, or not silver, a gold chain just like this. But apparently, because the good old Fz8 is a hilariously awkward bike to buy parts for, because it's just old enough to be old, quote unquote. It's 13, so it's 8 years old now, and it's just weird enough that they didn't sell or make enough of them for this United States-ish, that, well, they don't apparently make a kit with a gold chain. It's the silver or brushed metal, whatever you want to call it, look. So this will be going on as soon as I hear back about this being in stock, because I have a tire ordered too, and I'm not going to take everything off, put this on, and then take it all off again and do it again. So until that point, this is my nice RK chain. Apparently from right here, they're a very good company, so I'm excited to see this, have that different look of, I actually really like how the sprocket looks too, with those little dimple holes and everything. So maybe in the meantime, while I wait, I might buy some new sprocket bolts and everything just for the giggles of it. But yeah, if you have one of these, tell me what you think of it. If you've ever ran one, or if you know that they make a gold chain that'll fit this, let me know there in the comments below also. And hey RK, if you want to be cool and work with me here, and you have a gold chain I could put on instead of this metal one or silver looking one, I would love it. And yeah, I'll see y'all later. Peace. And while I'm thinking about it, precursor to this, man, with how big that box was, I was really hoping for some stickers or something so that I can start filling up the side of this. Like the other side is, you can't see it, but there are stickers on that side. But man, I was really hoping for some stickers. It's always the best part of opening a box. It's new sprocket and new tire day. Everything will be changed back here, obviously, because that's old and crusty and hasn't been cleaned, because it's been 3 weeks and I haven't been able to ride it because it has a tight spot somewhere in it and whatever. So fresh new chain, fresh new tire, get rid of that flat boy, and yeah,